Hello Embers! Everyday Toy Day na naman tayo dito sa The Mother Base by Boss Senpai! I'm MB Maria and welcome to episode 4 of Question Mo, Talk Ka!
Ma'am, ano pong tawag sa laruan na to?
Good question! Ang tawag dyan ay articulated toy.
Anong articulated toy?
Articulated toy is a figure with movable parts known as point of articulation or joint that allow it to be posed and manipulated. Did you know that there are different types of articulation? First is simple articulation. Ang gumagalaw lang dito ay ang ulo at ang kamay. Kagaya nito. Tignan nyo guys ha. Gumagalaw lang sa kanya ang kamay niya, pati ang ulo. Ito ang tinatawag na simple articulation. And the second is basic point articulation. Ang gumagalaw lang dito ay head, arms, and legs. Patulad ng Lego. Hindi yon yung inuulam nyo.
Hi guys! Tara, kain tayo. Ulam, sardinas.
And the third is full articulation. Nagagalaw din dito ang knees, elbows, and ankles. Lahat talaga nagagalaw dito. Kagaya ng Enterbay, ZD Toys, and Fanjoy. And the last one is ball jointed articulation. Ito ay super flexible for detailed poses, katulad ng ball jointed doll. For more questions, comment down below. And for more lessons, don't forget to visit us here at the Mother Base Toys and Collectibles Green Hills. Yes, thank you so much. Go, go, go!